good morning. In today's class of marketing, I will discuss functions of packaging. I was discussing what is the meaning of packaging. Also, I have discussed role, importance of packaging. Next topic, functions of packaging. Means what does packaging do? So, packaging should perform following functions: protection, appeal, performance, packaging for convenience, cost effectiveness. Okay, means packaging must perform the functions of protection. Yes, the first and foremost function of packaging is protection. If packaging is not properly done, it will not be able to protect the product. So it means packaging must be able to protect the product from any kind of harm, like pilferage, weather, unexpected conditions, from stealing, also absorption of moisture, also avoid damage. Same is written over here. The basic function of packaging is to protect the product. Yes, why do we pack our product? Just to protect it from vagaries. Vagaries means unexpected situation of weather. In transit means when product is transmitting from manufacturer's plant to retailer's shop, it is in the transmission, so it can damage, so it must be protected by good packaging only. And also in handling, it may damage, so if a packaging is better, it will be protected. So the reason for good packaging are: control pilferage during transit or storage, prevent absorption of moisture, avoid damage or breakage due to rough mechanical handling or manual handling. Manual means by man. Protect liquid from evaporation. Means good package always protects the product from any kind of damage, from any kind of pilferage, from any kind of unexpected weather conditions or situations. Second, yes, it is also important function. Means if product is properly packaged, it will appeal itself for selling. It will appeal that it is a very good quality product and customer must buy it. I already have discussed one sentence. Packaging can work as a passive salesman. Yes, means packaging is not saying anything, but its packaging can convey that it is properly packed and it can appeal, and as a passive salesman it can self-sell itself. Similarly, it is written over here: the following characteristics have been identified to help a package perform the self-selling task. Like it helps in attracting attention. Yes, if packaging is proper, the customer attraction will be there. It helps in attracting attention of customer. It helps to enhance the product image. Enhance means improve. It means if properly packaging of product is there, it will improve product image. Next, it helps in the product looking, means product की look में change हो जाता है. And hygienic means cleanliness. It means if product is properly packaged, it will appeal in customer's eye that it is a good quality product and customer must buy it. It will be able to attract customer attention. It will be able to enhance or improve product image. It would also help in product looks. And hygienic, it will convey that product is very clean. It is manufactured with cleanliness. It is properly packed. Okay, next, performance. Yes, packaging can aid also in performance of product. It is the third function. This is the third function of package. It should perform the task for which it is designed. Bottled water, हम बात करें वाटर बॉटल की, has been introduced in 500 ml to 20 liters bottle. ये डिफरेंट साइज़ की बनती है बिकॉज परफॉर्मेंस के लिए कस्टमर को कंज्यूमर को कम टाइम के लिए पानी चाहिए, तो स्मॉल बॉटल ही और शी विल बाय. ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए चाहिए, सो लार्ज बॉटल ही और शी विल बाय. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू नीड ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस, ही और शी कैन बाय different kind of package. The purpose and place of use is deciding factor in purchase of various packs. A package must be made to be consistent. Consistent means same or regular, and rigid means fixed quality standard. Every package must have a fixed quality standard as consumer demands uniformity. Uniformity means similar thing each time he or she purchases a product. जब भी कस्टमर कुछ परचेज करता है, सो इफ़ अगर वो लाइक करता है एक बार में किसी प्रोडक्ट को, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम एंड आफ्टर नेक्स्ट डेट टाइम ही और शी विल आस्क फॉर सेम यूनिफॉर्म थिंग. मीन्स परफॉर्मेंस से इफ़ेक्ट हो जाता है। एक बार परफॉर्मेंस यूज़र को अच्छी लगी देन वो सेम पैकेज की सेम प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड कर सकता है। सो परफॉर्मेंस कैन ऑल्सो एड समथिंग इन पैकेजिंग. So I have discussed 3 points out of 5. 2 points packaging for convenience, cost effectiveness are remaining that I will discuss tomorrow. Thank you for listening me.